Hey everybody, this is Wakefield from True Online Wealth. And what I want to talk to y'all today about is a fantastic place for all of y'all to get some fantastic traffic. You might already know about this place. If you don't, you're a newbie. This place is a name you should never forget, and this is called Udimi. This is a fantastic marketplace to get some solo ads going to wherever you could be marketing, whatever offer, whatever squeeze or landing page or lead capture page you got. This is the place to go. I mean, you can get some real top-notch traffic. I mean, these are some of the best people that you want to shop with to get good quality traffic to whatever it is you promoting. I mean, it's just, I mean, some people go for 39 cents a click, like this guy right here, Jonathan Soul. You got Dana Solo. You got a lot of different people. These people are real fantastic marketers when it comes to getting traffic online. You just pick one and put in your order, and they'll take care of the rest. So, you most definitely want to go ahead and set your Udemy account up or whatnot. Look, you can earn uh 15% from all orders or your referrals and up to 50% from all prime referrals. All your referrals will receive $5 discount instantly after registration. So you can go ahead and sign up, get your account set up, and whenever you're ready, you just go in here and find one of these fantastic marketers to purchase traffic from. And there you go. So I'm gonna put my link below. I'm gonna also put a link to my blog, but this is definitely one place you want to always keep in mind when it comes to get some traffic. You can go and set your account up for free, like I said before, and whenever you're ready, get your profile and all your profile and affiliate information or whatever put in. And like I say, you be ready to go. You just go in there and order traffic. So, and all of these people are just great people. So, like I said, I'm gonna put a link below to this and a link below to my blog, and y'all have a wonderful day. Peace.